Janine Street, new construction right here in Navarre. It is one of two identical homes. This is your neighbors across the street. There is no HOA. I do like that it is a large concrete pad. This is your neighbor. So I do like that. This is kind of wonky to me, but it is your main way in. So you get rained on until a certain part of your roof. Nothing beats new construction smell. It is new. Flat, tall ceilings. As soon as you enter the front door, you make a left. You're gonna hit your bedroom number 1. Closets, good size. Secondary bedroom number 2, good size. Very nice. I like decent sized closets. Hey, how'd it go? All right, keep going from the main foyer. This is a really nice sized laundry room. I mean, they've got room for everything. And you kind of need where as soon as you walk in from your garage, you are covered in sand. Welcome to a beach town. Oh yeah, this is... This is a really good sized pantry. I like this kitchen. In fact, I think I know the builder. I have a video of the builder. This is a really nice size bathroom.